'cause I'm afraid of things that even I don't understand. I try to lick it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my eyes all collided. I don't know what I did to trust you to be on my side. I shot it into a million pieces, and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The baka's part of me, darkness and harmony. My fart without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the fart stuck inside my bed? I should have left the jagged edges beat the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The fart we couldn't rip, this is what it sounds like.